Crystals have captivated humanity for centuries, their beauty and mystery intertwined. These natural wonders have been cherished across cultures and ages. Beyond their physical allure, crystals possess an ancient energy. This energy is believed to hold the power to heal, protect, and transform. This energy can amplify our intentions, making our desires more potent and focused. Just as a magnifying glass focuses sunlight, crystals focus our thoughts and desires, channeling them into the universe. Working with crystals for blessings involves harnessing their energy. This practice can enhance meditation, rituals, and daily affirmations. We infuse them with our hopes, dreams, and aspirations, creating a powerful connection between our intentions and the crystal's energy. Imagine each crystal as a vessel, ready to be filled with your heartfelt intentions, waiting to manifest your desires. When we set intentions with crystals, we invite positive change and blessings into our lives, opening the door to endless possibilities. Each crystal vibrates with a unique frequency, carrying specific energies and properties. When choosing a crystal for blessings, trust your intuition. Let your heart guide you to the crystal that resonates with your soul. Clear quartz, known as the master healer, amplifies energy and intentions. Rose quartz, with its gentle pink hue, embodies love, compassion, and emotional healing. Amethyst, a stone of spiritual connection, promotes peace, intuition, and protection. Before setting intentions, cleanse your crystal to release any stagnant or negative energies it may have absorbed. Imagine washing away impurities, preparing a blank canvas for your intentions. One simple method is to hold your crystal under running water, visualizing the water purifying its energy. You can also smudge your crystal with the smoke of sacred herbs like sage or Palo Santo, allowing the smoke to clear any negativity. Section 4. Infusing intentions. A sacred connection. This is a journey of deepening your bond with the crystal. Find a quiet space where you can connect with your crystal without distractions. Ensure the environment is calm and peaceful. Hold your cleansed crystal in your hand, feeling its energy merge with yours. Let the vibrations resonate through your being. Close your eyes. Take a deep breath and visualize your intention. Imagine the crystal amplifying your thoughts and desires. State your intention clearly and positively, as if it has already manifested. Speak with conviction and clarity. Feel the energy of your intention flowing from your heart, through your arm and into the crystal. Sense the connection strengthening. See your intention as a bright light, infusing the crystal with its power. Visualize the crystal glowing with your intention's energy. Section 5. Embrace the power of crystal blessings. Crystals have been cherished for centuries for their unique energies and healing properties. Carry your charged crystal with you, allowing its energy to amplify your intentions and bring clarity to your thoughts. Place it on your altar, bedside table, or workspace as a constant reminder of your aspirations and goals. As you go about your day, hold your crystal. Visualizing your intention, manifesting and feeling the energy flow through you. Trust in the power of your intentions and the supportive energy of your crystal, knowing that you are guided. Embrace the journey with an open heart and a grateful spirit, welcoming the positive changes that come your way. The universe is conspiring to bring your blessings to fruition, aligning everything in your favor.